Hi, my name is Rohana Arifin. I've lived in Balik Pulau for the last 1.5 years since retirement because I find the environment here is green and the air is fresh. I was a lecturer in USM for 30 years and I've retired for quite some time. But lately, as you progress in age, I find that my knee is getting a bit painful and weak. So I've decided to get a chairlift for my own self, and I think it has served me very well. Well, if you ask me why I choose this company, it's because I just Google, this is like a very reliable company. It's in Penang and in Kuala Lumpur. Actually, before that, I've seen one in town. Then I called Encik Syahidan, and I find the design quite suitable for small house like this, So I thought I just take it lah, When I saw the design, I thought it could blend in very well into my space as well as my color scheme here. I think it's very smooth. I've seen it overseas. When I went overseas, I see how in the old folks home, care home, they use quite a lot of this staircase. And also in the library there and the bookshop, where the books are 3 level like that, they use this thing, It's quite fun to see them going up and then going down, I think it's a very good development in this country. So for anyone thinking of buying a chairlift, I would strongly recommend it.